Now we're going to see another fault that you can encounter in some failed laptops, especially Dell laptops, is some blown ICs. Okay, so that's why you should always do a visual inspection for your motherboards before proceeding or going ahead and checking other chunks. You should always do a visual inspection because you can find a blown IC. If you find a blown IC, means the IC is damaged, or MOSFETs or any component, means you should replace that component with another component with a serviceable one. Now I will show you an example of blown IC that I find when I do a visual inspection. So this is a motherboard, as you can see, where we have a blown IC. As you can see, this is basically an IC. As you can see here, do you see this hole? This is a problem. This IC is blown out, as you can see. Now this IC is damaged. So that's why you should always begin with a visual inspection, because if you have an IC like this, you should change it automatically. But if you don't did a visual inspection, you can't just make measurement and check from here to here without finding the problem. So that's why the visual inspection is a very important step before doing any things.